If you're working with a small kitchen or limited counter space, you already know how quickly things get messy. That's exactly why in this video, we're breaking down some of the most useful kitchen organization finds on Amazon that help you maximize space without any complicated setup. These are practical, everyday solutions that actually make a difference. Once you start using them, it's hard to go back. And if you like anything you see, all the links are waiting in the description below. Starting off strong, this two-tier turntable organizer is one of the easiest ways to fix clutter on your countertop or inside cabinets without any effort. The smooth, rotating design lets you access everything with a simple spin, so you never have to reach into the back or move items around again. The two levels add extra vertical storage without taking up more space, making it perfect for spices, sauces, or small jars. It keeps everything visible and organized. Most options usually fall around the $20 to $40 range. Right after that, this two-tier expandable microwave stand instantly creates extra storage right where you need it most. It fits neatly around your microwave and adds shelves above or beside it, turning unused space into functional storage. The adjustable width allows it to fit different kitchen setups easily, while the included hooks give you extra hanging space for utensils or tools. It helps declutter your countertop while keeping essentials close by. A smart upgrade, usually priced between $30 to $70. Moving on, this pull-out spice rack completely upgrades how you use your cabinet space. Instead of digging through crowded shelves, the rack slides out smoothly so you can see and access every spice instantly without making a mess. It keeps everything aligned, organized, and easy to grab while cooking, saving both time and effort. This simple change makes your kitchen feel more efficient and less cluttered. A small upgrade with big impact, usually priced between $30 to $70. Next up, this three-tier slim rolling storage cart is perfect for those narrow spaces that usually go unused in your kitchen. It slides easily between appliances or tight gaps, instantly giving you extra storage without taking up visible space. The multiple tiers let you organize pantry items, bottles, or cleaning supplies in a neat and structured way. With smooth wheels, you can pull it out anytime you need something. A practical space saver, usually priced around $25 to $60. After that, this expandable silverware drawer organizer helps bring structure to messy kitchen drawers without any effort. Instead of utensils getting mixed together, it creates clearly divided sections that keep everything neat and easy to find. The adjustable design expands to fit different drawer sizes, making it flexible for various setups. It keeps your everyday essentials organized while maximizing space efficiently. A simple upgrade that improves daily use. Most options usually fall around the $20 to $40 range. Moving on, this two-tier under-sink organizer transforms one of the most cluttered and hard-to-use spaces in your home. The sliding drawer design allows you to access items at the back without removing everything in front, which saves time and effort. It's built to fit around pipes while still giving you structured storage for cleaning supplies or essentials. The two levels maximize vertical space efficiently. A must-have for compact kitchens, usually priced between $25 to $60. Next up, this magnetic knife holder is a clean and space-saving alternative to bulky countertop knife blocks. It mounts directly onto the wall, keeping your knives securely in place while freeing up valuable workspace. The strong magnetic strip holds multiple knives safely, and the added hooks can be used for utensils or tools. It keeps everything visible, accessible, and organized in a minimal setup. A sleek kitchen upgrade, usually priced around $20 to $50. Continuing on, these stackable storage drawers are perfect for organizing smaller items without creating clutter or confusion. Each drawer provides a clear, structured space for storing kitchen essentials, snacks, or miscellaneous items neatly. The stackable design allows you to build vertically, maximizing storage while keeping everything easy to access. With built-in dividers, you can separate items efficiently. It's a flexible solution that works across multiple areas. Most sets usually range between $25 to $60. Moving forward, this two-tier dish drying rack helps organize your sink area while saving valuable countertop space. Instead of spreading dishes across the counter, it stacks them vertically, allowing water to drain efficiently while keeping everything neat. The two levels provide space for plates, bowls, and utensils all in one compact setup. It's ideal for small kitchens where space is limited. A practical everyday essential, usually priced between $30 to $70. And now let's talk about this 360-degree rotating organizer tray. It makes accessing items quick and effortless. Whether used in cabinets, on countertops, or inside the pantry, it allows you to reach everything with a simple spin. The smooth rotation prevents clutter from building up and keeps items visible at all times. With multiple trays in a set, you can organize different areas consistently. A simple but satisfying solution, usually priced around $20 to $40. If something's already caught your eye, don't worry. I've added all the links in the description so you can check them out anytime. Moving on, this pots and pans organizer completely fixes one of the biggest cabinet problems in small kitchens. Instead of stacking cookware on top of each other, it uses adjustable dividers to give every pan and lid its own dedicated space. That means no more clanging, scratching, or struggling to pull items out from the bottom. It keeps everything neatly arranged, visible, and easy to access, even in tight cabinets. It also helps protect your cookware over time. A highly practical upgrade, usually priced between $25 to $60. Next up, this 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer is a powerful way to add storage without using any extra floor space. It hangs easily over a door and gives you multiple adjustable shelves for storing pantry items, snacks, bottles, or kitchen essentials. Instead of cluttered cabinets, everything becomes visible, organized, and easy to reach instantly. It's especially useful in small kitchens where storage is limited. Installation is simple and doesn't require drilling. A smart, space-saving solution, usually priced around $30 to $80. Right after that, this sink caddy organizer keeps your sink area neat, clean, and clutter-free throughout the day. It provides a dedicated space for sponges, brushes, and soap, so everything stays organized and easy to access while washing dishes. The compact design fits neatly near the sink without taking up too much space, while proper drainage prevents water buildup. It keeps your cleaning tools dry, hygienic, and ready to use. A small but essential upgrade, usually priced between $10 to $25. Moving forward, this cabinet countertop shelf helps you maximize vertical space, both inside cabinets and directly on your counter. Instead of stacking items unevenly, it creates an extra level so you can organize plates, cups, or pantry goods more efficiently. The stackable design allows you to adjust and customize based on your storage needs. It keeps everything visible, accessible, and neatly arranged without wasting space. A simple upgrade that improves organization instantly, usually priced around $20 to $50. Next up, this 6-in-1 bamboo food storage bag organizer is designed to bring structure to messy and overcrowded kitchen drawers. It neatly holds different sizes of food storage bags, foil, plastic wrap, and more, all in one organized system. The built-in compartments and cutter make it easy to access and use without creating clutter. Everything stays aligned, visible, and easy to manage daily. It keeps drawers clean and efficient. A practical solution, usually priced between $25 to $60. Heading forward, this 5-tier rolling storage cart adds flexible and movable storage wherever you need it most. With multiple pull-out baskets, it gives you enough space to organize fruits, vegetables, bottles, or kitchen supplies in a clean and structured way. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move between spaces depending on your needs. It's perfect for small kitchens that need extra storage without permanent setup. A versatile and highly useful upgrade, usually priced around $40 to $90. Moving on, this over-the-sink roll-up drying rack is a simple but highly effective way to save countertop space. It sits directly over your sink, allowing you to dry dishes, rinse produce, or even use it as an extra prep surface when needed. When you're done, it rolls up neatly and stores away without taking up any space. It keeps your kitchen clean while adding extra functionality. A compact and smart solution, usually priced between $15 to $35. Next up, this magnetic spice rack with jars helps you organize spices without using cabinet or countertop space at all. It attaches directly to your refrigerator or any metal surface, turning unused space into a functional storage area. The included jars and labels keep everything neatly arranged, easy to identify, and quick to access while cooking. It's a great way to keep spices visible and organized. A modern upgrade, usually priced between $30 to $80. Right after that, this pot lid organizer makes storing lids simple and clutter-free inside your kitchen. It mounts onto cabinet doors and provides dedicated slots for each lid, keeping them upright, separated, and easy to grab when needed. Instead of stacking lids randomly, everything stays organized and visible at a glance. It also helps save cabinet space while improving accessibility. Installation is quick and easy, a practical kitchen addition, usually priced around $15 to $35. And finally, this 9-in-1 storage bag organizer is designed to bring complete structure to messy kitchen drawers. It holds multiple types of storage bags, foil, wraps, and more in separate labeled compartments, keeping everything neatly arranged and easy to access. The organized layout makes it simple to find what you need without digging through clutter. It keeps your drawer clean, efficient, and functional for daily use. A smart upgrade, usually priced between $25 to $60. That's everything you need to turn a cluttered kitchen into a clean, efficient space without overcomplicating anything. And of course, all the links are right there in the description if you want to grab anything you saw. If you like this video, make sure to hit like, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more.